Hi everyone, so it is officially the first snow in Alpharetta and in the Atlanta area, and I'm enjoying the snow because I haven't seen the snow since 2013 when I left St. Petersburg. And weather was one of the reasons why I actually left St. Petersburg, because it's either snowing or raining there, or it's just cold. When I went to Cancun, I was just mesmerized by the warmth of the Caribbean area. It was just so nice. It was just overwhelmingly beautiful there. And so now I am enjoying this snowy day in Alpharetta. I guess one of the reasons why I am enjoying the snow today is because I know that this snow will disappear in a couple of days. So, for a short period of time, it's nice to enjoy it. But then I still prefer the warm weather. One of the reasons why I'm recording this video is that I wanted to share with you the flowers that I found in our neighborhood, flowers that are covered with the snow. And when I saw them, I thought of the resilience and how nature teaches us resilience. And seeing those flowers covered with snow made me realize, that even beautiful things in life have to learn how to be resilient. So let me show you those flowers. Nature offers endless inspiration, and it's amazing how we can find so many analogies in it. Take pansies, for example. Even though they are delicate and beautiful, they are surprisingly resistant to light frost. Seeing them survive through ice and snow reminds me of how nature teaches us resilience. Just like in life, there are cold and challenging moments, days when it feels like a storm has rolled in. But after the snow or rain, the sun always comes out and warms everything up. Life works the same way. It's a cycle of ups and downs, challenges and calm moments. Staying in tune with this natural rhythm can help us become more resilient and also appreciate the sunny, peaceful days even more. Well, one of the things I do enjoy about the snow is how bright it makes everything look. Whenever you need inspiration, just look to nature. It holds millions of years of wisdom. Its cycles of growth, rest, and renewal show us that even the harshest storms eventually pass. There is always something to learn if we pause and take the time to notice. After the storm comes quiet, peaceful times. Both phases are temporary, but each serves a purpose. Embracing both the challenges and the calm helps us find balance, and that balance is key to a happy life.